Good morning, Hurricanes. My name is Aaliyah Amani Scroggins, your junior class president, and today's date is Monday, August 16th, 2021. Today's Monday bell schedule is B, blue, periods 5, 6, 7, and 8. Today, if you're a junior or sophomore, you'll be having your virtual class assembly during PTP/advisory today. So juniors and sophomores, stay tuned for your class assemblies. No school on Friday, August 20th, because it is Statehood Day. Just a reminder that breakfast and lunch are free this year, but you must have an ID to pick up lunch or breakfast. Monday's breakfast will be Portuguese sausage and rice. Lunch will be fish sandwich. Tuesday's bell schedule is A, white, periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. Breakfast will be Belgium Waffle, and lunch is cheese pizza. Wednesday's bell schedule is B, blue, periods 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breakfast will be cereal and toast, and lunch is Creole macaroni. Thursday's bell schedule is A, white, periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. Breakfast will be cheese stuffed sticks, and lunch is hot dog on bun. Friday is Statehood Day, so there is no school. Students, don't forget to turn in your first day packet forms, which includes census certification, emergency card, McKinney-Vento questionnaire, MV1, student publication, audio, video, and release form, device and connectivity survey, TRUF, which is to be completed by incoming freshman class of 2025. Your candidate forms are due today by 3 p.m. in G109. Candidate meetings will be held tomorrow, Tuesday, August 17th at 3 p.m. in G109. Free COVID testing will be on Monday, August 16th and Wednesday, August 18th from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. at Kapolei High School's cafeteria. To make an appointment, email to hawaiifreecovidtest@gmail.com. Senior class of 2022. Senior yearbook portraits will be taken at Expressions at Pearl Ridge Center, Waimakai, between June 1st and August 31st, 2021. All seniors will need to go to the studio to have their photos taken for the yearbook. If the senior does not have their photo taken by Expressions, they will not be featured in the senior yearbook session. Go to Kapolei High School's website for more information. Blood drive. Our first blood drive is tentatively scheduled for Wednesday, August 18th. Even if things change and we need to reschedule, I would like to give you all a chance to save a spot. If you are interested in donating, please take a few minutes to fill out this form. Once things are solidified, a confirmation will be sent to you. Go to Kapolei High School's website for more information and click on the sign up link. Class shirts and logo wear. If you want to purchase a class shirt or browse through our variety of Kapolei High School logo wear, you can visit us at G109. Our class shirts will cost $10 each. Students parking. Students who are parking on campus must fill out a student parking form. Forms will be available at Kapolei High School's website. Homecoming court. Hey Hurricanes! Homecoming is right around the corner. If you are interested in joining Homecoming court, head to G109 to pick up a packet form. You must have a cumulative grade of 2.5 or above in order to participate. Packets are due by August 20th at 3 p.m. That's all for your morning bulletin. Have a great day, Kapolei!